Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to enter your Honda Civic radio code. First, you'll need to find the 5-digit code. Often, it's on a small sticker inside your glove box or on a card in your owner's manual. If not there, check the fuse box cover. You can also visit the Honda owner's website and enter your vehicle identification number and radio serial number to retrieve it. Once you have your 5-digit code, turn your car's ignition to the ACK or ON position. The radio display should show code or enter code. Now, simply use the radio preset buttons, numbered 1 through 5, to input each digit of your code. For example, if your code is 24,135, you would press preset button 2, then 4, then 1, then 3, and finally 5. If you see error on the display after entering the code, don't worry. Turn off your car's ignition for about 1 minute, then turn it back on and try entering the code again. Double-check that you are pressing the correct preset button for each digit. Sometimes, a dead battery or recent electrical work can cause the radio to lose its memory, requiring the code re-entry. To avoid future hassle, write down your radio code and keep it in a safe, accessible place, perhaps with your car's registration. You might even consider a small label on the radio itself. Remember, having this code handy will save you time if your battery ever dies or is disconnected. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.